Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Chevy Equinox. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps, nice chrome grille, a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels, looking at the tread on the tires, inside cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera, and this Equinox is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60/40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. You also have a power assist liftgate, so with simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's worth the trip. Cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Equinox on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.